A very warm good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to do the another writing skill. But before proceeding with our next writing skill, that is our dialogue writing, let's recapitulate what we have done in our previous class. Remember, in our previous class I told you how to summarize the things. So I gave you the summary writing, in which I told you that once we are reading one of the passage, what are the key points which we remember. So that has to be jotted down in the point wise, and then we elaborate that very point. So that is what the summarization is, that we summarize the whole story in a very shorter manner to make the reader also understand that what the summary is all about. Now today we are going to talk about the dialogue writing. Now what do you mean by the word dialogue? Dialogue means any conversation between more than one or two person. Now everybody is observing the movies, isn't it? So when we are observing the movies, we come to know that the hero is having a different way of delivering their dialogues. But if we have the villain, we know that the way of dialogue delivery gets changed. So here, when we talk about the dialogue writing today, when you will read the dialogue writing, you will come with an reading outcome, and the learning outcome of reading this particular dialogue writing is that you will be easily able to identify the character's personality, how it gets changes when he or she speaks about something. Now the time when we see the movie, we know that the heroes always speak or deliver the dialogues in a very comfortable and in a very humble manner. But the time when the entry of the villain happens, then the dialogue delivery gets changed. So then we come to know, okay, this is the hero and this is the villain of the whole movie. No. So here, when we read the dialogue writing, or when we are talking about the dialogue writing, by the way the person is, or he or she is speaking, we can come to know about the personality of the person, that this is a person who is having the negative aspect, and the other one who is talking about the positive aspect. And then we come to know that he is the hero or the heroine. Now, what is a dialogue now? Dialogue is a conversation between two or more people. Now, when we talk about the dialogues, what does the dialogue really has the characteristics of? So when we talk about the characteristics, we come to know that it is essential to fiction writing. Now, what is a fiction writing? Fiction writing means something which is not based on facts. So it is a composition of non-fact prose text. Like if you have seen the movie Sholay, the most popular movie. No, at that very time, it is just a fiction. It is an imaginary thing which the story writer has written, and then finally it was being asked by the different characters to play their role, and how the role of the of different persons who are playing the role in that very movie, they have their own way of delivering their dialogues. So here it is a fictional writing which is not at all based on the facts. Secondly, it brings character to life and add interest. And the time when we are giving a dialogue to the person, what the person do? The person put himself into that. Means in the other word in English we can say that person is putting himself into the shoe of the others. That means he is trying to pretend that he is the same person. He forget about his own real identity. He becomes the one, like the police inspector. So at the time when he is playing the role of the police inspector, he really pretend that he is a police officer. But the time when the villain is there, although the villain is a humble in a natural manner or in a real way, he is a gentle person. But the time when he play the role of a villain, the way of dialogue delivery gets changed. So when they speak, they really develop an interest to the person who is either visualizing the movie or reading any of the story. Then it consists of the most exciting, most interesting, and most emotional and most dramatic words. Now, exciting. When we have seen the movie MS Dhoni, what happened? At that very time, we were very excited. Although we know that Mr. Sushant Singh was not the Dhoni, but the time when he played the role of MS Dhoni, we had a feeling that no, really MS Dhoni is playing the cricket match. And then when he was making this helicopter shot and all, we all become very much excited, and we had a feeling ki, wow, Mahendra Singh Dhoni is there. And most of us, we forgot about that he is Mr. Sushant Singh. Everybody was thinking that really Mahendra Singh Dhoni is playing there. Now coming to most interesting thing, when we talk about any of the story which is related to the fairy tales, we develop the story, we get the interest in that very story. Then coming to the emotional one, when we talk about any of the movie which has a sad ending, where we come to know about the relationship between mother and the son or mother and the daughter, at that time the emotions comes out. And then lastly, the dramatic word, like I told you about the movie Sholay. At that time, the Gabbar Singh was there, and he came and then he said something to Thakur, and the way he delivered the dialogue, "Kitne aadmi the," he said in that manner. So we analyzed that, okay, this is the villain, and the way the heroes were playing the role. One of the character was playing a funny role. Another one was very, very calm and silent one. No, so somewhere in the whole movie we come to know that each and every character has their own way of expressing their dialogue. And then we come to know that, okay, this is the person, he is the hero, this is the person who is playing the role of a police inspector or a dacoit or a humble person. Okay, so this is all about the dialogue writing. Now we will be reading one of the passage which is given in our book, and then we will write the dialogue in our own sentence. Okay, I hope you must have understood it. What is dialogue writing? Okay, so take care.